Good morning dear students. Today we will discuss about the next topic of our top chapter, structural organization in animals, that is about the circulatory system of the cockroach. Already we have discussed about the classification, morphology and digestive system of the cockroach. Today we are going to discuss about the blood vascular system in case of the cockroach. In the cockroach, blood vascular system is of which type? Open type. What do you mean by open type? In the open type, that is the blood flows directly into the open spaces. No blood vessels are there. It means in the other type of the blood vascular system is the closed. In the closed, the blood flows always in the blood vessels, that is in the arteries and veins. But in case of the cockroach, you will see that there are the no blood vessels, like no arteries and no veins are there. Directly blood is flowing into the open spaces, that is known as the sinuses. So next is the what are the main parts of the blood vascular system of the cockroach. First part is the heart. Heart, it is a elongated muscular tube like structures which is having the how many chambers? 13 chambers. This is very important point ki how many chambers of the heart in case of the cockroach. So in the exam or in any competitive exam it can be asked with the 13 chambers are there in the heart of the cockroach. Where this heart is located? It is located along the dorsal line of the thorax and abdomen. In the heart there are present some funnel shaped structures, just the hole like structures are present which are known as the ostia. And where these ostia are located? These are located on the sides of the body, and blood always flows anteriorly into the heart. मतलब यहाँ से जो है blood flow करेगा heart के अंदर हमेशा in case of the cockroach. So next is the blood vessels. As we already have discussed that कि जो blood vessels हैं वो cockroach के अंदर it is not a well developed. That's why they are having the open type of the blood vascular system, and that is what is a hemocoel. Hemocoel is a open cavity like structure. We know that कि in case of the cockroach there are no blood vessels, no arteries and veins, and blood directly flows into the open sinuses or in the spaces. Here you can see in the diagram these some fan like structures are there. What are these? These are known as the alary muscles. How many pairs of the alary muscles are there? 12 pairs. What are the function of these alary muscles? They help in the circulation of the blood. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So this is the dorsal or anterior aorta, and these are the alary muscles are of the 12 pairs. They help in the circulation of blood. And third one is the chambers of the heart. जो अगर हमने heart के chambers देखने की 13 chambers है heart के पास in case of cockroach. So these are known as the chambers of the heart. So next topic is the hemolymph, composed of the colorless plasma and hemocytes. You know that in case of the human body we are having the hemoglobin, red coloring, iron pigment is there, but in case of the cockroach no hemoglobin. They are having the special type of the or the separate type of the pigment that is known as the hemolymph. And what is the hemolymph? It is made up of the colorless plasma and the special type of the cells which are known as the hemocytes. What are the hemocytes? Hemocytes are those cells which are forming the hemolymph. So all the visceral organs, they are directly bathed into the hemolymph. No particular type of the blood vessels or the tube like structures are there. It means the directly tissues or the directly all visceral organs, they are bathed into the hemolymph. This is the hemolymph. This is the doors through ostia, and second one is the blood vessels. हार्ट से ये जो है ब्लड वेसल्स आएंगी. ब्लड वेसल्स आगे ब्लड को किस में ले जाएंगे? डायरेक्टली साइनसिस के अंदर. साइनसिस के बाद हीमोलिम्फ, और थ्रू द ओस्टिया इट विल बी द सर्कुलेटेड थ्रू आउट द body of the cockroach. So next is these already we have discussed about the alary muscles. Heart is having the 13 chambers and alary muscles are of the 12 पेयर्स जो हैं अलेरी मसल्स के अंदर इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं. सो व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द ब्लड वेस्कुलर सिस्टम? दे हेल्प इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द एब्जॉर्ब्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. विच आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज देयर हेयर. How many chambers of the cockroach heart? 13 chambers. And how many pair of the alary muscles? 12 pairs. Which why they are playing that role? That role is playing outside with them to flow, show that ki blood is directly flowing into the open sinuses or in the chambers. So beta oxygen, as we know that oxygen it will get distributed into the body of the cockroach through the trachea. Trachea is also known as the wind pipe. So this is all about the blood vascular system of the cockroach. In our next class or in the video we will discuss about the more interesting impacts or the systems of the cockroach body. Thanks and have a nice day.